Alright, David Harry here. Now usually on my YouTube channel I do stuff like microphone things and video things, or audio, video, that type of thing. And usually that involves equipment and hardware, or I'm even doing things like walkthroughs and how-tos and stuff like that. Now usually I don't get involved in that kind of like news thing or that kind of speculative rumour stuff, but for this video I'm actually going to be doing a news piece. So the news piece in question here then is the fact that GoPro have now got the media mod available for pre-order on their website, with a release date of the 27th of this month, which is January 2020. So basically all those people who've been waiting for what feels like an absolute age for the media mod can now go to the GoPro site, put the money down on the pre-order, and it will be shipped by the 27th of January. So what it was then, I was working until the early hours this morning, just doing some like video editing and stuff. And I did my usual daily visit to the GoPro site, which I have been doing for about the last month now, just to see where we're up to with this media mod. Because if anybody has got a Hero 8 and they've been kind of keeping on top of this, what they will have noticed is that originally GoPro had said that in December just gone we would actually have the opportunity to put the pre-order in then, with like the release date to follow, but that didn't happen. So yeah, I was getting all quite anxious about this, but there we go. I went on early hours this morning and I nearly fell off my chair. There it was, pre-order this and get it on the 27th. So obviously I've gone and done that. So the reason for this video then is really simple. What it is, I've done a number of Hero 8 videos over the last couple of months, and during that time I've been looking through the comments, and there's been a lot of people have been mentioning the media mod, because obviously I've been using, as I am right now, the older 3.5mm mic adapter. So a lot of people don't want to get involved in using the 3.5mm mic adapter. Maybe they haven't even got one anyway. So a lot of people have been looking to get the media mod, and I'd seen a lot of comments being made about it in the comment section of some of my videos. So that being the case then, I just thought, well, I might as well do a quick video letting people know all about it and the fact that they can now go for it. So that's really the main reason for this video. But also there's a second reason for this video as well. So the second reason for this video is I'm using it as a prelim as well. So this is a preliminary test of a particular setup that I will be doing a full-blown video about in the future. So right now what I'm doing, I'm using the RODE VideoMic NTG with the Hero 8, and obviously using the older 3.5mm microphone adapter. So both of the things that I'm testing here, namely being the VideoMic NTG with the Hero 8 and also this makeshift deadcat that I've done for it, will actually give people a really good idea of two videos that I've got coming up. Also on this as well, I'm using an offset bracket which keeps the video mic directly outside the field of view of the GoPro. Alright, so that'll just about sum it up for this video then. So the main point of this video is the media mod's available, and plus also this will have given people a really good idea as to what the RODE VideoMic NTG sounds like with the Hero 8 with the old adapter. Now bear in mind, as soon as I get my brand spanking new media mod, I'll be going like a mad person with a ton of videos. Now what I plan to do with those is to keep them just boiled down to one mic per video and not do these mad things that I do where I do a ton of mics in one video. So what I'm going to do is try and keep them all short, and then pick maybe me best 4 or 5 mics to test with the Hero 8 with the media mod, including its own microphone on the media mod as well. So if you're into all that kind of stuff, be sure to call back to my channel and to check out the stuff that I do with the media mod and the mics. Also I'll be continuing to do other stuff with the Hero 8 as well, and you'll also find all my videos to do with all my GoPro stuff at www.gopro9.com. So the last thing that remains for me to say right now is I'm David Harry. Thank you very much for watching this video. Take care and goodbye now.